Oh shit over here, right? You hear me? They don't want this shit over here. Ah, CB, that's like CB. What you say? We got something for an army. You hear me, CB? They don't want it. Ooh, that boy getting suited. They don't want it.
That boy got a fort grip on that motherfucker.
Ooh, they don't want it. Hey, you know what? Let me show y'all how it look with the banana. I'm gonna show you how it look with that banana in it. You hear me? Boy, we ain't playing with these. You hear me? You hear the click? Did you hear the click? Say we ain't playing with them. Oh, got that joystick in that bitch.
That boy saying a joystick in that motherfucker.
Better get your life right. You hear me? Don't come over here with that bullshit. What mama gonna say? I told you not to go over there and mess with them. Did I tell y'all not to go over there and mess with that boy? I told y'all.
Hey, hey, look, look on cap. It's the little I don't know if you seen that little pump shotgun that I got. It's a Turkish little shotgun, little 12 gauge. That it kind of look like the Mossberg shotgun, but that motherfucker can take a magazine just like that motherfucker can.
Oh,
And
I
I
know
ain't
which one you talking about then. I know which one you talking about then. Yeah, 'cause you know, I know which one you talking about.
at Costco's that goes for $200.
Can't fuck. Now you see, like I said, you already know they can't fuck with me. You know they can't fuck with me, man.
Already, you know,
Yeah, man, you got me just popping cases over everywhere on these motherfuckers. You hear me? I'm like, CB,
already,
look, CB, yeah, the shockwave bitch, yeah, look,
already,
Brash catch on that bitch too. Stop playing.
already.
They say, what you talking about? Hornet. What? Hey, what you say? Ain't that brand name? Stop playing.
Hornady,
Slug,
hell yeah.
slugs. They better stop playing, man. We the best. So, catcher, catcher's mitt. Got the catcher's mitt. Yeah, I told y'all, man. This thing, look, that's 160, man. And I got the other one in here. Told y'all, man, we ain't playing no game. Other 60 man right there.
All right, we
Boy,
back. We back. I had to cut my Wi-Fi off. I had to cut the Wi-Fi off while I'm walking.
yeah, we ain't playing no game. Don't you hear me? Don't make me bring the other now. You hear me?
No, don't do it like that. Huh? Don't
God,
do it.
dog, look at that snow, man. Yeah, there ain't no room. There ain't no room.
It's not one. Yeah, that part. That part.
Oh, you hear me? We got big boy shit over here too now. You know, we got big boy shit too.
I got them drums. I got them drums too. You heard me? I don't be fucking with them. Like I say, I ain't gonna count. I fuck with Magpul. I got a 50 round drum for my Glock 17. It's a Magpul drum. That bitch ain't never did me wrong. And I got a Pro Mag drum for a little Bursa 380 that I got. That bitch ain't never did me wrong. Then now that bullshit drum I got for my 1911, that motherfucking done jammed up on me at the gun range.
Oh, okay. Cause I saw that bitch you had. I said, damn, he got a drum for the 19.
Yeah,
Oh,
RWB make them, and then they got another. It's another company that make them 1911 drums. It's a waffle style drum.
oh, okay.
It look like a big ass waffle, but I think it ain't nothing but 30 rounds. But that motherfucker is more reliable than that RWB.
Yeah. I'm looking at them. Now this that other bad bitch. This the 12 day pump with the drum.
Man, motherfucker, all I can tell the motherfucker is they better leave you the fuck alone. That's all I know. Huh?